Welcome to Biza's Kitchen and more. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's cooking time!
Hey guys, welcome back. It's your favorite island girl Via, and welcome to Biza's Kitchen and more. So today we'll be doing jerk quail. Quails are some small birds, and it was requested of me to do a jerk session with them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll be making a semi-jerk sauce because mom and the little one, they don't like pepper, so I'll take out a lot of stuff. So join me. Let me make that jerk sauce right now.
To make our semi-jerk sauce, we add thyme, garlic and herb, parsley, oregano, Grace all-purpose seasoning, pineapple juice, garlic and ginger, Grace jerk sauce, and onion. We now blend all our ingredients together. Since it's my first time making quail, I'll be using lemon to wash the meat. Now that's completed, it's time to marinate.
Now our quails are washed and ready. We're gonna marinate.
I did add additional pineapple juice for added flavor along with browning for coloring. The marinated meat will sit in the refrigerator for 45 minutes to 1 hour. The quail is almost finished marinating, so I now preheat the oven for 350. The quail was marinated for 1 hour. Now it's time to be placed in the oven. Quail is quite easily cooked. I first let it steam the cover for 40 minutes. I now remove the sauce it was marinated with and place it back into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. The sauce can be used to make gravy or what they call in Zimbabwe soup. The cooking time lasts for about 1 hour.
So we're ready. The quail is all ready. So this is jerk quail. And it will be served with rice and peas and shibage, aka corn.
So now let's sample the quail.
All right. See, I'm so happy for this.
It's so
Let's
good.
try it. But I don't need your knife.
This is so good.
Delicious.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
What are you eating, Angie?
We're eating
Quail.
quail, the bird. Yeah,
AKA Zvihuta.
because
It's good.
sometimes
Organic.
people, if you guys don't like birds and stuff, that's okay. You can make a regular chicken and use
Why are you guys dancing?
Quail.
It's so delicious.
Delicious.
10 out of 10. I love it.
The Lion of Africa.
Yes, it's beautiful.
And this quail has been jackanized, man. It's like jack, man. Looks like jack chicken, jack quail.
Come on.
Now we have our finished product. The quail has been served with rice and peas, corn aka shibagi in Shona, and vegetables.
Hey folks, now it's dinner time. Today we are having quail. In Africa or Zimbabwe we call them Zvihuta. So right now it's ready. I can't wait to yum this, man. Sorry about my English is mixed with the pot one. So but what we're gonna do, we go yum it. Janka tuna. Amadiwa zvinhu zvatiomera kuZimbabwe kwasisusu aiwa timire takuchidya zvihuta zvatakapuwa nababa mugabe vakaenda vabviswa nengwena. Tatenda.
Once again, thank you for stopping by at Busy's Kitchen and More. Bye!